Actions speak louder than words. I think I make God angry, yeah, I'm sure that he's irate. I just took my remorse, was not too little too late. Whoa, whoa. Even my track record, he gave me a clean slate. I'm forgiven and I'm living with no sin on my plate. Whoa, whoa. And I wish I was Michael J. Fox. I visit the past, then come back to the future. When I cleaned up my act, yeah, I don't know what went through my head. Was my conscience shot? Was it left for dead? I said I'm sorry, but no one heard. 'Cause actions speak louder